Hey, she. Papai came here to show you how is Fakeville with strong snow. So beautiful. I would like to bring you to here. Like, I can't stop taking pictures. So beautiful, and I'm pretty happy because now, yesterday we celebrate 2 months, 3 months, and at the same time we celebrate 6 months since the first time that I visited you. You changed my life a lot. You know this, and also you might know I'm here just waiting for you. Sorry. And everything that I do here, I do thinking in you. We're gonna win shit. Just believe in us, man. Do you remember this place? Yeah, this place is so nice.